Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 8, that is about number 2 to the power of 3. Now we have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. And you got about a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So we apply this one, go in here, and you got about s plus 2 multiplied by s square minus s or 2s plus 2 square. This one simplified by this one. And now I can put negative number 2 going here and here. This one you got about number 4. This one you got about positive number 4. And the last one, that's about number 4. And you got about 1/12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.